name is Denise.
My name is Stoney.
And my name is Gavin. We are from PS 176 in Brooklyn. You may recognize some of us. We were on this stage 2 years ago when we explored whether seeds could germinate using different growing substrates. In hydroponics, plants are grown without soil, and Rockwool is commonly used to support plant roots. However, Rockwool is not biodegradable and creates waste. We concluded that store-bought cotton was a promising alternative to Rockwool. Today, we are building on that research by testing whether raw cotton that we grew ourselves can also be used as an effective substitute for Rockwool in hydroponic system.
Rockwool has several environmental impacts. First, it's not biodegradable, so it does not break down naturally. Second, it is difficult to recycle and often ends up in landfills. Third, it takes a lot of energy to produce because rock must be melted at very high temperatures, which releases greenhouse gases. Lastly, its fibers can irritate the skin, eyes, and lungs when handled. Our cotton journey began 2 years ago after our last youth conference. It took about a year for a cotton plant to grow and produce cotton. We honestly didn't think we would be successful, but here we are today.
When we started our journey to see if the cotton that we grew in the hydroponics lab can germinate seeds, we ran into a problem. When we went to wet our cotton, we noticed that the cotton did not absorb the water, but instead did the opposite, repel it. We later learned that raw cotton has a waxy coating, whereas store-bought cotton is processed, which removes the waxy coating and becomes absorbent. This is called scoring. We did some research and found out how to score cotton. All we need was washing soda and detergent. We added these two ingredients in water and boiled our cotton for 2 hours. After that, we let it dry and used a wool brush to restore the cotton. Our cotton was now ready for our seeds. We planted Swiss chard and kale and watched them germinate. After 28 days, we were able to transplant them into an NFT. I want you to think about something for a minute. Most of us here have hydroponic labs in our schools. If we all started growing cotton plants and using that cotton to germinate our seeds, we could take a real step toward a more sustainable future.
We wouldn't have to rely much on factory-made materials. Cotton is a more natural option. It creates less waste and is better for both plants and the planet.
Thank you.